NASA informs us they've discovered a weird unknown planet and that it has major similarities to our Earth. This weird planet with striking Earth similarities. Researchers from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratories and University of New Mexico discovered exoplanet TOI 1231b and is orbiting an M-dwarf star. This planet is located 90 light years away from us and has a remarkably similar atmosphere to our planet. That's what they believe. The research will be published in a future issue of the Astronomical Journal. TOI 1231b is a temperate sub-Neptune-sized body with a 24-day orbit. While the planet is 8 times closer to its star than our Earth is to our Sun, it has a temperature close to our planet, they think. Its atmosphere is approximately 330 Kelvin or 140 degrees Fahrenheit, making TOI 1231b one of the coolest small exoplanets accessible for atmospheric studies discovered yet. And according to researchers, there is potential for clouds to be present high in the atmosphere of this exoplanet and possibly evidence of water as well. Kindly support my Patreon account since YouTube has again demonetized my YouTube channel. The daily posts are 5 videos daily and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below. So they have a theory that it may have clouds and water as well. Pat Brennan, NASA's Exoplanet Exploration Program, wrote on the organization's website, "The planet is ripe for study," quote unquote. He cooled expectations of humans living on that planet, but said, though not habitable due to its size, the planet could offer scientists one of their first chances to capture a barcode-type reading of the atmosphere of a temperature Neptune-sized exoplanets, a planet orbiting another star. He said this will allow comparisons with similar worlds elsewhere in the galaxy, bringing potentially deep insights into the composition and formation of exoplanets and planetary systems, including our own. And he said the planet's red dwarf star, small enough, is quite bright in the infrared part of the light spectrum, or light beyond the red end of the spectrum that cannot be seen with our human naked eye. It is, though, ideal for investigating by Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope, he said. NASA JPL scientist Jennifer Burt, assistant professor at UNM's Department of Physics and Astronomy, Diana Dragomir, said, more study, of course, is needed to know the makeup of TOI 1231b. She said future observations of this new planet, which is an exoplanet, will let us determine just how common or rare it is for water clouds to form around these temperate worlds. She said the low density of TOI 1231b indicates that it is surrounded by a substantial atmosphere rather than being a rocky planet, but the composition and extent of the atmosphere are unknown, of course. TOI 1231b could have a large hydrogen or hydrogen-helium atmosphere or a denser water vapor atmosphere. Each of these would point to a different origin, and it would allow astronomers to understand whether and how planets form differently around M-dwarf stars when compared to the planets around our Sun. This is by Express UK. Dylan Donnelly. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support.